guys, not sure what that was, but welcome to the channel. So we're in a typical Cambodian country road here. I'm not sure if you picked up that cow on the camera. Interesting. So guys, we're going to go to the wake park today and the West Baray, so you're getting a really good update. You're going to see the wake park in Cambodia, and we're also going to see the West Baray, guys. So some pretty interesting kind of places to see here in Siem Reap. So this is typical local life here, local village road. You see the kind of paddy fields there on the left and right. So this is kind of the typical countryside road, guys. Just going to take you a look around the outside of the wake park, and then we're going to go to the West Baray. Guys, this is beautiful country, just showing you some of the reasons why it's so beautiful, and obviously reasons why I think it's beautiful. So guys, just look at these lush green fields. I come from a very green country, but this is exceptionally green. You see on the left, you've got lotus flowers, you've got the rice right. Alright guys, so I had to go fast here. I think they're fishing, yeah, they're fishing in the lotus field there. So the cows. So I'm going to show you a quick glimpse of the wake park, guys, and then show you outside a fancy hotel. I don't think we can go inside, but I'll show you where it is. So I'm worried I'm going to fall in there, guys. The guys here are fishing. So drop a comment below, guys, if anyone knows what are they fishing for. Anyone who says fish will be blocked. Hello. So what those guys as always. Along here. Yeah, so drop a comment, guys, what type of fish is in there. I would like to know, actually. So they're fishing in amongst the lotus flowers, I think. It looks really beautiful. We're going to go to the wake park now. The suspension is perfectly tuned. Did you see that thing recently, guys? I'm not sure what SUV it is, but they compared, I think it was BYD, something from China. It was amazing. They had a really bumpy terrain. They compared it to, I think, Porsche. Maybe it was Porsche and Audi. I think maybe it was Audi. But basically, it was seamless. The suspension was seamless, guys. It's amazing. So I need one of those for those roads. So guys, just show you that I'm not going inside, but I'll show you the wake park here. Just making sure my camera's on. Yeah, we're on. We're good, guys. So I'll show you outside the wake park a bit. They don't really. Last time I went here, they were nice, they were friendly. But I think they prefer if we're just signing up for the wakeboard package. Okay, there it is on the left, guys. It's pretty cool. I have these huts. So I'm going slow because it's so bumpy here, guys. I'll just do a little round So on the left, so there you go, Cambodia campus, guys. I don't know, it seems to be like a school or something, guys. But anyway, here's the wake park on the left, the entrance, guys. So there, wake park entrance. And pretty cool bikes at the front, so they're open 9 to 9. Just looking. Thank you, Okun. So that's the wake park there, guys. There's the entrance. And wake park Cambodia, guys. It's really cool. So parking is there. And you see all of the yeah, it's some people there. It looks cool. Guys, I smell petrol. So something really weird happening on my bike. I don't know. I refueled. I didn't ride so much this week, but I'm refueling like every 2 days almost. It seems to be frequent. So guys, this is a really nice place to go wakeboarding. I'll try and go beside the gate here, get a kind of peek inside. So, kind of a sneak peek there, guys. That's like the circuit. So there's people there now, you see. So you get dragged around. That's not the most fun way to describe it, guys. It's a bit fun. You don't just get dragged around. It pulls you around, and I'm just bad time, guys. If somebody was there, you'd see them kind of doing a trick or something. I wish somebody would just come and do a trick. There's somebody there. So you see they're going around. You see all the huts, and there's big ramps. There's a ramp right there. Let's see if he's going to do any tricks. Do a trick. Go on, do a trick. He's going for it. He's going for it. Yeah, there you go, you see? I don't know if you saw that, guys. The guy done a little jump. I think he fell. No, he didn't. He's still up. Okay, there you go, guys. That's the wave park. So that's 25. They're open 9 to 9. And yeah, guys, you can, I don't know, actually I'm not gonna have to be careful, guys. I think I took my drone and flew up beside it. Yeah, maybe it did, maybe it didn't, I don't know. But yeah, I get some nice cool shots there. Goodbye. Anyway, guys, this is that was the wave park, and just checking out. Yeah, so this is all like beautiful in here, very lush green. Definitely need well, there's loads of people on their scooters here, but I recommend having a Jeep, guys, having an SUV, having a off-road vehicle, an off-road bike. But yeah, it's beautiful here, guys. You see the great Zannier Hotel and all these green, like the lotus mixed with the kind of rice. And that perimeter wall there, guys, is the Zannier Hotel. It's got actually a very elegant way to say that, guys. I'm probably butchering the word. So it's just surrounded by that walls, and there's lots of like basically very exclusive resort in there. So you can already see the fancy trees, the things lit up. So it's very secluded and private, like a lot of the high-end resorts here as well. I got asked, maybe can I look around, go on the bike, but I doubt they'll entertain me. I'll book a night for $500. Oh, it's all closed up, guys. So that's it, you see, very secluded in there. That's the, I think that's the main entrance. Yeah, the Zannier. So it's very exclusive and private there, guys. So there you go, nothing to see here. But yeah, that's all closed, guys. But inside, I can tell you, it's very beautiful. I've seen the pictures. Owned by Zannier Hotel. So they have like a moat here, guys. It's even like, probably some of you have a gated castles. So you can live in a gated castle there, guys. It's literally, you got your own moat, you get your own locked castle gate. I think you get some knights at the front, but no, the knights are inside asleep on their horses. Okay, look at the countryside around here. It's beautiful. Onto the main road, guys. There's dirt track will lead us onto the main road, and then we're going to go to, so guys, you see those typical some outside houses there, country houses. So very beautiful here. So you go right and that brings you into the city. You go left. Well, left pretty much brings you to Thailand, guys. I would love to just get on the bike and drive, guys, but the land border is shut. So guys, lots of houses there. You see across there, there's residential suites. So I think this is the beauty of some of my videos. I get you insights, guys. You can see around, so you will be looking thousands or hundreds of miles away. You might be researching Siem Reap. You're probably looking at things on Google. You're looking at listings, real estate listings. So that's all kind of like the open web, the clear web. But some of you may know the concept of the dark web or the deep web. If I could visualize it for you guys, it's pretty much like an iceberg. You see the tip of the iceberg, and beneath the iceberg is obviously, beneath the surface level is the iceberg, which is much bigger than the tip. So my videos are a bit like this, guys. This is the beauty of watching my videos. Basically watching the deep web. Welcome to the deep web, guys. This deep web content that really brings you like something you don't see when you're searching. So for example, those houses back there, they won't be listed on the internet. You won't find them anywhere, but you're getting insights from my videos, guys, about things that are interesting for you, but you can't find them. So there's things like those apartments, things like this. So it kind of gives you some insight, guys, that you won't see on the dark web, or sorry, you won't see on the like on the clear web, open web. So there's, yeah, like nice apartments back there, might be worth checking out. If you didn't watch my video, you wouldn't know they existed. So onwards and upwards, guys. Well, hopefully not upwards. I mean, my bike is not a plane, so I hope it doesn't take off, guys. You never know, guys. Stranger things have happened. So usually called flying pigs. Pigs don't fly. But yeah, flying bikes, guys, you never know. My first ever bike, my first ever guitar I bought was from a flying pig shop. Very cool shop in the UK. Don't know if it's but I used to read all these like guitar magazines and I was obsessed with guitars, guys. Anyway, guys, this is golfing resort, the Angkor resort there, guys. So a couple of things going against us today, guys, is one, the sun's going to set. Two, it's raining. That's not really going to affect us because I'm using what am I using? I'm using an action camera. My microphone is not waterproof. So let's see, guys. It's going to get dark soon and it might rain. So this is just going along the outskirts of Siem Reap City. You see on the right hand side there's lots of residential areas, guys. So all very nice, guys. I actually like these areas out of town, you know. It's basically beautiful fresh air, clean countryside, just a nice vibe, guys. You see like the guy there going for a run, that's cool. But then obviously if you want to go out into the city's like 5-10 minutes drive. You got a golf course there. It's the Western Siem Reap bus station, guys. There's a little bus station. Alright, guys, I'm relying on Google Maps now. I vaguely know where I'm going. As you can see, guys, really beautiful countryside. So we're just going to drive up here about 100 meters, take a right, and then we're going to hit the west head on. I'll show you what it's like, guys, just before sunset. It's quite beautiful. So you see the West Baray lake. canal on the right hand side. But this road will go to the main road, National Road 6, and that road connects. That's one of the big roads in Cambodia. It connects the Battambang, Siem Reap. It will go all the way to the border. So first it's Sisapon. The football stadium is somewhere out here. Really go into survival. You can just really live own a few cows, chickens, get rice every day, guys. I mean, if you really are into that kind of survivalism type mindset living, you can actually live like that out here. I think it's that you're surrounded by nature, guys, so you kind of feel that you've got those vibes too. You're not going to be tempted by ordering something for $1 on Grab. So guys, you see the scenery here. You see like rice fields. So we're approaching now the bigger road. So we gotta be careful. Just flicking the wrist to see the time it is. It's 5:13. So just this is National Road 6 here, guys, so I need to be careful. So this is a super busy junction. I'm not too worried about the bikes, guys, it's the cars and the trucks. You can kind of just blend in with the bikes and it's kind of like water. But you might not be able to blend in with the truck, guys. It might just, God knows. Better not punch too far from your way. Respect your boundaries. There should be like a right turn up here, guys. There's a number of ways to get here. I'm showing you kind of this is not like I think they'll bring you through from Siem Reap. They'll bring you via this road like any tour guide, and I just wanted to show you a bit of the Zannier hotels on the way. So you won't go that route normally. That's why I thought it was pretty cool actually. guys. They have these like banks, they're like little retail banks set up in the shops all over the country. So it's quite handy if you want to like a bank like that. So this is actually the good road here, guys. I'm not taking the dirt tracks today. So we're gonna go on this road and then you're gonna see it, guys. It's beautiful. Bit of a stench, guys, on the truck or something there. But yeah, there's a big water tank. It's got the Japanese flag and the Cambodian flag. So it must be some sort of joint project. And yeah, you'll see what this is, guys. It's amazing. This is the West Baray. It's exceptionally beautiful, guys. Guys, it's like one of my favorite countries, has to be. It's like just so beautiful. Some of the parts of the country are just so breathtaking and amazing. So look at these roads there. Look at this. It's kind of like along here, guys. The water, the trees. It's so beautiful, guys. It just really is. And it's hard to describe on the camera. It's just the feeling in the atmosphere. It's very peaceful, tranquil. I've mentioned that in some other videos. It's hard to put it into words. The feeling that you have, like there's just a feeling of being like in nature. So we're coming here, we're kind of reach that, guys. A lot of Westerners, secluded. Spend some time here. Just step back, take a leap forward type of thing, you know. It's very good for that, just to get in touch with yourself. And yeah, guys, a lot of my health really improved. Like since living here within a couple of months, my heart rate is significantly lower for some reason than in any other country. So these are other just kind of facts or based on my experience. So yeah, but guys, look how beautiful it is. It's incredible, guys. I just want to take it in, guys. Just look around. Amazing, guys. So yeah, heart rate significantly lower. The air quality is really good, even though I complain about the smoke in some places. But on average, much cleaner air, guys, than most other countries. There is a lot of poverty, guys, and don't come here if you're like you don't have anything in your pocket yourself. Just be prepared to like enjoy your time, relax, but give to the community, if you know what I mean. So yeah, but guys, it's incredible. I'll show you. We'll go up by the lake, the West Baray, and then I'll bring you towards. I'm going to then drive towards behind the old airport. It's incredible. Just 2 years ago, they would have had like commercial flights coming in over this. Pretty much, this would have been the flight path, flying over here, going into the airport, and flying over the Angkor Wat. So I love the new terminal. Is lovely, guys. It's a bit far out, but and you know, you can't have it both ways, guys. I thought it was pretty cool, the old terminal, but you know, you can't have it both ways. It's very charming. I like these smaller airports, guys, if I'm honest. I like, you know, I used to live in Berlin with Tegel. They moved it to the new international airport after about 1 million years and $1 trillion cost. But exaggerating, guys. That's another example, a very charming small airport. And then they move into like a larger place. But guys, just incredible scenes here. Sun's still up, which is good. Yeah, you have to come here during the daytime as well, guys. I mean, I'm not sure who would come here during the night. But yeah, we're here, guys. I'll show you some little temples, but this is pretty incredible. I'm trying to speed up. Get up the hill. So there'll be lots of people just waiting up here. Come on, bike. So there you go, guys. That's the scenery from the West Baray. So all these boats, there's an island called the West Baray Temple, or well, there's a temple in the middle. There's some religious significance to Mount Meru and cosmology, so they built this with a lot of purpose and meaning, and you can go all around. I'm not going around there today, guys, so I'm going to go back down that trail. But you can get the ferry here. There's like shops here, get coconut water. Well, you see they have like the water system there, the water like overflow system here. Those boats will bring you out onto the lake and to the temple. There's another little temple up here, guys. We're gonna take a quick look and then go back. I'm just checking the time. Yeah, actually this is not like a paid temple here. So fresh fish and meat there, guys. Hardy. So pretty fun scenes there, guys. So yeah, we go along here to this little temple. I think it's still being excavated, guys. It's pretty interesting. Some massive potholes here though, guys. There are actually locals that live out here. If you're wondering, guys, if you're thinking about like there's no residences or anything out here, you're literally out in the sticks. You're out in the countryside, and it might be nice to bring a tent out here, guys. I'm not sure if you're allowed to camp, but it's actually a cool place to camp. Sometimes I see tents, and I used to go camping when I was younger, guys. I really like camping. I have a fear of snakes, guys, if I'm honest. But a lot of them are probably more scared of me. But if you have a good tent, you should be fine. Guys, driving on that surface. So here is the temple, guys. This is not Angkor Wat, guys. This is like so there you go. You see these ruins? Let's get the names. 7th century, guys. 7th century. Amazing, guys. So Akyum, guys, and it looks like so imagine, guys, 7th century. Guys, that's even older than I'm just thinking 7th century. Yeah, 900 years is supposedly the Angkor Wat, so that's, you know, a long time. Almost double, like 13,000. 1300, sorry. So crazy, guys. I mean, you don't even know the half of it, so it's interesting. Okay, guys, yeah, so just moving past here, the West Baray, you got the Mabon Temple, the island in the middle, and this is actually symbolic. Like I was saying, it was designed to represent like the universe, like in cosmology, in Hindu, Mount Meru itself, in Hindu kind of cosmology. So it's quite symbolic from a religious point of view, and that's it in the middle. And you can get a boat. You can get a boat to the center, and it's really beautiful there, guys. And also the trail here is really nice, guys. I recommend maybe my video inspires a little bit for any either do-it-yourself adventurers, or if you ask your tour guide to bring you on a drive this way. I really recommend it. If you like nature, guys, it's beautiful, it's amazing. I love it here, guys. So it's really relaxing. You can spend some time there, maybe do some outdoor grilling, whatever. And what I'm going to do is show you around by the old airport, and then that's it for today, guys. I might end up in the Angkor Wat. Let's see if the sun remains. It's about 5:37 here, and the sun will set in about 20 minutes. Not only that, it typically tends to start raining, so I've been feeling in Ireland fit as a fiddle. Don't ask me why fiddles are not in the Olympics, but apparently they're very fit, guys, so I'm fit as a fiddle. Which makes me miss home when I think about it, guys. I'm thinking like of a ceilidh or something. Do you know what a ceilidh is, guys? It's like kind of Irish dance where everybody's like laughing, joking, singing, playing music on fiddles, playing the fiddle, guys, and dancing. I used to do this when I was a kid, guys. I would get sent to learn Irish, but I did learn Irish, guys. I went to the Gaeltacht. So there's like little places there, guys. You can go on the bike. Others are doing it, guys. Why not? I don't know. It probably says do not enter in Khmer. So guys, you didn't see anything, okay? You saw nothing, and it wasn't me. So here's a little beach, guys. This is the beach in the middle of Cambodia, guys. I didn't know there was a beach, but there is. So there's a beach in the middle of Cambodia, guys. Siem Reap Beach. Another discovery, guys. Here you go. Welcome to the beach, guys. Beach vibes. Pull up there. Oh no, guys. What did I do? I was going so well, guys. Anyway, guys, there's the beach in the middle of Siem Reap. Don't try this at home, kids. Yes, the bike is slipping while I'm in the sand, guys. cool. I would have normally just built up a lot of speed, but the two ladies were there. So you see they're going to the beach, guys. On all the people there, it's a cool little beach there, guys. People there in their pickup trucks. It's beautiful, guys. Really, really beautiful. Like I said, guys, words often are meaningless compared to the feeling you have inside sometimes, you know. As we're all humans, we feel emotions, whether you admit it or not. Sometimes they're hard to describe, right? So it's very hard to describe. So this is why I like YouTube, and cinematography captures things. Even the best book might not do. But then again, on the flip side, books are also great, guys. One of my favorite books is like The Lord of the Rings, and I'm so excited to watch that movie when it came out like a million years ago. And I like it, guys, but it just, what I had in my head, some things just didn't compute, or I like certain things with Gandalf, not with Gandalf, with Aragorn, Strider coming in from the Lost in the Wilds for so long, then returning, the return of the king, claim his rightful throne. But there was a number of scenes like trees and stuff. Anyway, guys, what am I? I'm on a real rant today, guys. I'm saying YouTube is good, guys. Watch YouTube. It's the source of small revenue for some of us. Hey guys, I heard like a beep, a noise going here. I'm not sure if that was like somebody on a bike or my camera. Okay, my camera's still on, guys, so it wasn't my camera. I think it was the stop talking crap alarm. But it was good crap, guys. I wasn't I have to remind myself, guys, to doing the veil, as you say in Ireland. That basically means shut your mouth. Doing the veil. Let the hope, please. Alright, guys. So beautiful Cambodia here, guys. It's actually, guys, yeah, I don't know why I'm so surprised. 8 kilometers by 2 kilometers. So pretty much we are, I'd say, on a 4 or 5 kilometer straight here. Because that point, that like kind of sluice gate, is pretty much not so much center. It's massive pothole there. Don't come here when it rains, guys. You're gonna be this is why you need an SUV or 4x4 or one of those dirt bikes, guys. I tried driving in the mud in the track beside my apartment in the rain, guys. I was slipping all over the place. I can't imagine being here. So imagine it rains just now, guys. It starts raining. It's like, okay, it starts raining. Like, you know, sometimes it can rain super heavy. Because I heard something like crack. And it's the middle of the day, guys, and I'm still freaked out. If you're here at night time, guys, good luck. No way. Yeah, guys, Cambodia is safe. I mean, I don't think there's not too many wild animals. Yeah, it's lovely here, guys. But yeah, I don't know about hanging out in the woods at night, guys. Definitely not for solo travelers. Wow. Whatever you're into, guys, it's just not for me. unless I've got a massive stick. And something was cracking in the trees there, guys. I don't know, guys. It's not like there's no monkeys in the trees. So what's in the trees? Are there snakes in the trees? I don't know. Anyway, guys, we're getting to the end of this road. Let's get out of here. But yeah, there's always people coming along. So if you do have a problem, you're fine. There's like the village. There's lots of like local life. Try not to say. You know me, I hate that smoke and burning, guys. You see, there's the kind of thing. Sorry, guys. I might edit that out. I know everything's about authenticity, but a bit too raw. But yeah, anyway, if you just smoke kind of hangs around in one area. Like you're basically breathing in plastics and stuff, guys. You don't want to be breathing in stuff. Alright, guys, so here's a nice temple. Check out one of my other videos. I actually go inside. It's very beautiful. And I think I'm going behind yeah, I am. I'm going behind the old airport. I might have timed this to perfection, guys. Let's see. So you can go to Angkor Wat for free at 5:30. It's just past it. So here's more boarding, guys. I mean, there is a burning season, but it's typically done all year. But I think there's a certain season when it gets a bit more, it's a bit more prevalent, a bit more common. Look like a cannon. So guys, right, anyway, that's that part of the video over, guys. We're moving on now to behind the airport. The old airport. So just over 2 years ago, this was an active airport. Commercial flights were flying in here from all over the world, and this would have been on the runway. So this is right behind the runway, and as you see there, you can see just the start of the old runway, guys. Really impressive there, you see. That's all behind the airport, old airport. They got the barbed wire fence. It's all a bit overgrown. So that's really cool, guys. So that was active until just 2 years ago. I don't even think like they have military flights or private flights, nothing. It's just empty. They have like some events. I saw some events where they had cars like rallies, like something, the gumball cars, you know, fancy supercars. And there you can see. So yeah, good memories of flying in and out of there. Reminds me of the Bali airport in Pasar. They have it in Angkorian architecture, it's very nice. On the left here, guys, over there is like Angkor Wat. So I guess kind of it was a bit of a danger to the temples, actually. If there was any issues with flights, you could, God forbid, you know, close proximity to the airport there, or sorry, to the Angkor complex of temples. So guys, what I want to do next is hopefully get to the temple in time to show you around. So already, yeah, I'm not sure how much they keep up the road after like the airport being closed. I guess when the airport was open, it would have been maintained quite frequently. But there you go, you get the flat surface of the airport. There's people like just like having coconuts, smoothies and stuff, guys, chilling. So there's the runway there, guys. The old cargo terminal. People just out there having a little party there, guys. There's the terminal. That's a cargo terminal. It's a bit small, guys, actually, when I look at it. It's just a warehouse. So I guess they didn't have too much freight. But yeah, I guess the new airport has huge capacity for cargo and well packed. So guys, yeah, we're going now towards Angkor Wat. So if you enjoyed that, guys, please like and subscribe.